Let's talk about top feeding versus bottom feeding. Traditional way to feed your plants is to mix up nutrients, maybe put it in a pitcher or a sprayer or something, and then feed on the top, right? You do a soil drench from the top. Mm-hmm. I heard on that interview with Photosyntek that you do bottom feeding, or what you like to call butt chugging, right?
Yep.
Can you talk to us a little bit about bottom feeding versus top feeding and
Sure.
maybe some of the benefits, so on and so forth?
Yeah, I do a regular podcast, the Michigan Bros Grow Show, and they kind of have shown me the way, as we call it, butt chugging with bottom watering. I was always a top waterer. I always just filled up a bucket, added my nutrients, and just poured it right over the top, just like I do with my plants outside in my garden. And I just never really thought about bottom watering or the benefits of why you would want to bottom water as opposed to just pouring it right over the top. And I found there's so many benefits to quote unquote butt chugging. And I know that that's a term that a lot of people in the industry either love or hate. You either giggle or you don't. And we just giggle at it. You know, it's just something a term that we like to use. And it's just kind of gives us a little bit extra giggle when we're down there watering. So generally, I just take the same amount of water that I would have poured over the top and pour it in the reservoir at the bottom. And that eliminates a lot of problems that you can come across with fungus, gnats, and pests with, having the top layer of that soil being a little bit damp can cause a little bit of a problem if you've ever found that. And the butt chugging just really seems to eliminate that problem altogether. And, it's just so much. A lot of people call it the lazy man's way of watering too. I don't know if you've ever used radical bags or fabric bags. A lot of times if you pour that water right over the top, it can run right off the sides, especially in those radical bags. So the bottom watering, the butt chugging sure eliminates that problem all the way around. So your nutrients aren't going right off the side and on the floor or whatever, or in the reservoir. So yeah, I just have really become a fan of bottom watering for both of those reasons.
This clip is brought to you by AC Infinity. Use discount code MrGrow at 15 to save on any of their products.